Good morning, friends. Great day to all of you. So, friends, I've got exciting news. There is more relief finally on the way, and lawmakers in Congress have just proposed brand new stimulus legislation. Many states and cities are now offering direct payments worth up to $1,200 to families before the end of this year. Dear friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for the latest breaking news. To say thank you for watching, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Friends, remember that the more videos you watch and leave a comment on, the greater your chance of winning these giveaways.
We had opportunities in the Appropriations Committee to work across the aisle to address the concerns of the minority and to fund the priorities of this country and its people. But unfortunately, with a 40-year high in inflation, CPI rising to 9.1% in June, $30 trillion in debt, and the CBO recently predicting $1.6 trillion in deficits over the next decade, business as usual can no longer be contemplated. We must take action to secure the financial stability of this country for the future and for our children, for their children, and for future generations. We have to return to fiscal sanity through these appropriations bills to rein in inflation and rescue this economy. Transportation, housing, and urban development is an increase of more than 12%. Agriculture, an increase of 8%. Financial services and general government, an increase of 17% over FY22. Interior, 18%.
Most U.S. families with children are familiar with the federal child tax credit, given that parents of more than 60 million U.S. kids received the enhanced payments in 2021. But there's another tax benefit geared to parents that may be less well known than the child tax credit, but that can be far more generous, providing up to $8,000 in tax credits this year. The Child Independent Care Credit was supercharged through the 2021 American Rescue Plan, with the crisis aid bill boosting how much parents can claim on their tax returns for child care expenses, as well as making it fully refundable. The latter is important because if the tax credit exceeds what you owe the IRS, you will get the difference in your tax refund. The expanded tax break allows families to claim a credit worth 50% of their child care expenses, which can be up to $16,000 for 2 or more children. So in other words, families with 2 kids who spent at least $16,000 on daycare in 2021 can get back $8,000 from the IRS. It will be through the expanded tax credit. When the expanded federal child tax credit expired in January, millions of families and children struggled to make ends meet. The child poverty rate in the U.S. as of June 2022 was nearly 19%, compared to 12% in December of 2021. To help bridge the financial gap exposed by the end of the enhanced federal credit, U.S. states have stepped up with child tax credits of their own. At least 9 states have instituted new child tax credits since 2021. 2 more states, California and New York, expanded their existing benefits. In several other states, families with children can expect to receive cash before the end of this year. The state of Hawaii will start sending tax rebates this month to help residents deal with rising prices. Taxpayers who reported an income below $100,000 are in line to receive $300. Those earning more than $100,000 but less than $200,000 a year will be eligible for $100. Families will also receive rebates for each dependent in the house, so rebate amounts will vary based on household size. Florida also sent out checks worth $450 per dependent to the groups of parents and caregivers this year. Connecticut, Rhode Island, and many other states are currently sending out checks to eligible residents to provide additional relief during this crisis. Friends, the keyword for this video is Dover, Delaware. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Dover, Delaware, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And please, friends, do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Sales of new U.S. homes plunged more than expected in July to the lowest level in 6 years, as rising mortgage rates and relentless increase in home values slowed activity by edging prospective home buyers out of the market. The Commerce Department reported this week that new single-family home purchases tumbled 12.6% to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 511,000 units. It marked the 6th consecutive month of declines. Many economists expected new home sales, which account for a small percentage of total sales, to fall 2.5% last month. On an annual basis, new home sales are down nearly 30%. Despite the slowdown in purchases, the cost of a new home continued to march higher in July, with median prices jumping nearly 9% in July from the previous month to $439,400. The collapse in home sales is the latest evidence of how the housing market has started to cool, as the Federal Reserve hikes interest rates at the fastest pace in decades in order to bring down scorching hot inflation. Policymakers already approved 2 consecutive 75 basis point rate increases in June and July, and confirmed that another supersized hike is on the table for September. Following these rate hikes, the average rate on a popular 30-year fixed mortgage, the most popular among new homeowners, climbed to nearly 6% in June, though they've since moderated. The average rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage rate hovered around 5.13% for the week ending August 18th. That is significantly higher than just 1 year ago, when rates stood at 2.86%. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my fabulous and fantastic friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this morning. Thank you once again for joining me here. And I greatly appreciate every single one of you who are watching my videos. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Constance Smith. Congratulations, my friend. To claim your gift card, please check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed day.